Why is rehabilitating torture victims so challenging? Imagine waking up every day with pain that never goes away, memories that haunt you, and trust that's hard to rebuild. Rehabilitating victims of torture is a complex process that faces many hurdles. The harm caused by torture is deep and affects every part of a person's life. It can leave scars on the body, mind, and social connections. Physical injuries might heal, but psychological trauma like post-traumatic stress disorder, depression, and anxiety can last a lifetime. Because of this, recovery needs to be broad and tailored to each person's needs. It's not just about medical care but also psychological support, social reintegration, and legal justice. International humanitarian law, which includes the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict, strictly bans torture. These laws also say that victims deserve redress, which means restoring their dignity and providing compensation. They requiring states to offer medical treatment, psychological counseling, and legal aid. But putting these laws into practice is tough. Each survivor's situation is different, so responses must be personalized. This takes resources, trained professionals, and strong legal systems, which are often lacking in conflict zones or countries with weak institutions. Many victims are afraid to speak out because they fear retaliation or shame. Some may mistrust authorities or healthcare workers, especially if they have experienced abuse by those in power. In war zones or oppressive regimes, survivors might worry about their safety if they seek help. Providing proper care also needs specialists trained in trauma and torture rehabilitation, which are rare in many places. Long-term support is essential because healing doesn't happen overnight. Civil society organizations play a vital role in helping victims, but they often work under difficult conditions. They might face political repression or lack funding. International guidelines like the Istanbul Protocol help document torture and guide treatment, but applying these standards varies widely. In short, helping torture victims recover is a big challenge. It requires a careful, multi-layered approach that respects each person's unique needs. It also depends on strong laws, resources, and trust. The physical and emotional damage from torture is profound, and overcoming social and institutional barriers makes the process even harder. Still, efforts continue worldwide to improve rehabilitation and uphold the principles of international humanitarian law.